check engine light came in. I don't know what the situation is. But yeah, back on the road, guys. Back on the road. This is more like a original, you'll call it. If you remember in my video, I was prepping for this job. Well, guys, I'm doing it. I was kind of wishing I can do my first time grinding these gears. I don't know if you can see it. There he is, right there. Pretty big old sticker. But yeah, I was kind of wishing that I can do that, but it didn't happen. So it's one of those deals. What can you do, right? There we go. We just switched to 10 there, and double clutched on that. Believe it or not, this is my number 3 day here. Number 3, yeah. And I've been I still grind some, that's the truth. I still grind. Sometimes I can't find them, it's just crazy. And sometimes I can just float them right in, no problem. No double clutch and nothing. So, of course, easy said than done. You're gonna have to see it. But we're gonna have it set up, and we'll see. I'm not sure if I can do it tomorrow, but it depends on. This is not a easy job. It's not for your regular guy. It's just like, man, I've been working my butt off yesterday, day before yesterday, and even this is tough. And he just said, it's like, well, I just give you a kind of break doing this, which is about 50 some miles one way, drop a trailer, pick up a trailer, bring it back to the yard, you know, so you're just kind of going back and forth. But that's a lot of grinding up and down, because I'm going uphill, downhill, you know. So I call it grinding because I still grind it. So like, you know, I don't want to do it, but it is the way it is. So yeah, just doing it, guys. Doing it. Figure I plug one in there for you guys. Take care. I'm sure you'd rather see me shifting, but man, it ain't gonna happen right now. Actually, let's see if we can go downshift 9. Let's see if we can do that. I need something for the good angle, so we'll do it next time. Try to get you going there. Thanks for watching. Quite some of that fog here. And this is actually good. Tomorrow I'm going up in the mountains. That was a challenge. Thought I was done, but I'm not done, guys. That was a challenge. First time going up towards California. Oh my, these hills. It's not like I've never been there with a car. I know exactly where those hills are, but gee, with a semi truck, 28 miles an hour climbing there, just nightmare. My trailer, I guess, was heavy going up. Coming back, it was better. It was lighter, but yeah. Even then, up on top of the hill, I tried to pass this guy that he was going slower than me, and as soon as I did that, my truck said, "Nah, I don't think so. You're not going." I had to do a complete stop. I just couldn't put it back in the gear for nothing. So I had to stop and start all over. So I'm sure I would never forget that. But you got to start someplace. All right, guys, take care.